Say what your wish is. I
wish for toys. And I wish for Jada's business.
for Jada to come home.
And toys.
And toys. What are your other wishes?
I wish for toys.
You wish for Jada again? Here. Wish for Jada again.
I
You get to hold her.
wish for Jada to come home.
Aww.
I want to do another one.
Okay, I think I have one more.
I wish for toys.
Wait, I have one more.
I wish for toys.
Wait, I think I have one. See? It's my last one.
I wish for toys. Don't laugh at my toys yet. Don't do it at my water at my toys session. That's not nice to have in my toys session. I have to say I wish for toys. Okay?
Okay.
I do. I will one.
You know what? I found three. My last three.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Make sure you say what you wish for, and you can't wish for the same thing.
I wish for toys.
Okay, now you gotta wish for something else.
And I wish for Jada. And I wish for toys.
You think it'll come
Don't
true?
laugh at my toys section. Why that's so cute?
It is cute.
Why? And I want to. Oh, I will win.
Okay, I already. What do you say when you want something?
Please.
Ooh, that's a big one. Maybe you should wish for something else about. Here, I got one for you.
Okay.
But your mommy can hear you.
I wish for toys. I want the other one.